Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. You'll be able to see videos and you'll see photographs, names of persons who have been killed and are still waiting on justice, like Rifle of the British crew, one of the British of the British crew, and you'll see the people who are involved in the killing of these men and others, including Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top. And to date, the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to... Yeah, so you know, those of you who know how the Jamaica Young Police channel operate and how we think towards men like Vybz Kartel, you know, is one thing we always pray for. Yeah, for him to go to the departure lounge. Yeah man, there's nowhere else that is better for Vybz Kartel than the departure lounge. The reason why we are saying this is because, yeah, here's a man who was very, very destructive, and you know that he's responsible for many lives, you know, lives that have been lost in Jamaica. Yeah man, people lose their life to the barrel of the gun because of him. So we have zero sympathy when it comes on to men like Vybz Kartel. We don't serve sympathy coffee or tea or breakfast over here. Real mama hardcore, hard as spitting eat rock stone. So you see that his son, Liquor Vybz, Liquor Vybz says Kartel is in need of urgent surgery. Official doctor report confirm risk of mortality. And we are saying Jamaica Young Police and hey, look here, Vybz Kartel. Dead if you dead. Yeah man, dead if you dead. That's all them thing. We don't like to see you come up on a gurney. Yeah, we don't serve sympathy coffee or sympathy tea. We don't have no sympathy for you. You are not supposed to be around us because you are a very destructive guy. So we wanted to listen to what he has we had received a video from a guy who yes, you know, someone sent it to us and we had tell us about this man, I blast him, yeah. And then after, you know, listening to this man blasting Vybz Kartel, saying that Vybz Kartel must dead in a prison, yeah. And this man never even hide him face and him call it out as it is, and we applaud him for that, for standing up, yeah, you know, as a him sound like a real corrosion too, but hey, I just saw it go on him thing because him as a boy Kartel, you know, father Satan's son. Yeah, and you know, Vybz Kartel claims say we am evil, not even God, him not even know God. So when all of a sudden now him want know God. You better repent, man. God dead if you're dead inside us. So I want you to listen to this brother, and then after that you're going to listen to after you listen to this brother, you're going to listen to Vybz Kartel and hear what him says about the same people them. And the reason why this man, we're gonna let you hear this man, because he have said something that we have been saying a long time. This man is very destructive. You know, whilst other entertainers and people like, you know, they'll be like batting for Vybz Kartel. No, we know that. So we want you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Yeah, man, that's how the thing go, you know. And for the big, what him name? Vybz Kartel. Kartel, you need to go suck your mother and dead in a blood clot prison. That's how we say. And we'll never change. Because you mash up everybody's career. You call Tommy Lee and you make him cry. You diss Black Rhino. You make people shoot nuclear after the car crash and you don't visit him in a hospital. You diss every blood clot body. You have Lisa Hype, a suck wood pan internet. Everybody where you go around you mash up. All bounty killer thing you mash up. And then now you come ball say you're that prison. Brother, you say you're a bad man, you know. Which bad man? A bad man and go to prison go cry. Yo, big up to Ninja Man. You know, so Ninja Man a hold it. I saw you for learn for hold it. And if you link up with ninja, them can teach you for hold it. Because you're going like you're a gangster. And when prison reach you start for blood clot ball. Go get this big Batman blood clot liar. My youth in a waste man. And that's the thing there. Load the youth them. In the last 10 years, a lot of youth bust and get an opportunity. Because you're not there to bad mind them career. Nobody no bumbuckler give a fuck about Vybz Kartel. Pussy. So stop pay payola for coming at the blood clot news. Cause pay bomber clot and promo. You're there prison. Your fun done. Your time done. I make you kill people, son, for gun. Your time done. Move up, man, bomber clot. This all Scratchy B and this all the whole Portmore bomber clot gang. I'll never brought you have man beat up on a standpipe and you come go on like you're a good bomber clot somebody. Cause suck your blood clot self and dead in that bomber clot pussy. Them for let you out of your hole and grey. Cause you're not relevant. You're not relevant. You're not relevant. There's an elephant in the room that need to be addressed and is a pussy name you. That's the thing there. Bumbucklam. I don't know say sicky type says so. SIKKITUIPE. A sicky type says so. Pussy, you fed dead in that bomber clot. No road for blood clot you. Anybody will mash up the blood clot industry and mash up black people thing. I teach people them for bleach them skin. I teach black people say we not for love we self be bomber clot black and proud. After James Brown say you have to talk it out loud. You want come blood clot teach people them for mash up themselves and then you come go on like you idiot because everywhere you go destruction you bring. So you destroy your own self and now you destroy your own self. You don't know if a blood clot though. Pussy nobody know you call. God deaf to that one yeah. You could have pray and pray and pray. God now answer that blood clot demon yeah. Go suck on yourself. Big up all the real Gaza artists them. All Black Rhino you this too. You this everybody and you want people sorry for you. And dead in that blood clot. You're crying looking alien. Big head blood clot in her sunglasses. Suck yourself big Batman Buster Rhyme. Go so. That me say. No world boss. Third world boss.
This is the first we have seen somebody disrespect Kartel to the max. Boy, this man here. Yeah, apparently, you know, him and Vybz Kartel, like, them have some beef, you know, you understand? Beef is in the market. So the man does unleash on Vybz Kartel, because, you know, Vybz Kartel, yeah, right now, one of him son, Liquor Addy, yeah. I said, boy, you know, him father needs surgery. But we are saying, look here, yeah man, Vybz Kartel should die in prison with no surgery. As he is seen as the son of Satan. Sympathy is a crime and that's the truth. So we don't serve sympathy coffee and sympathy tea over here. And as this man rightfully said, Vybz Kartel is a very destructive agent, yeah, when it comes on to black people. Vybz, him not love himself. Look on the man. He's a black man that, you know, black like the shirt where you see him son have on, you know. And him encourage black people for bleach and all kind of things. So this man is the epitome of a self-hater. And guess what? One of the worst things that is happening is that they are blaming the PNP criminal organization, you know, and this man is a PNP, you know, they are blaming Vybz Kartel. Why Jamaica is not, they don't want Jamaica to become a republic. Yeah. CMPMP, Mota Baruka, and Mark Golden, the Baby Trump. So we want you to listen to Vybz Kartel about so yeah, the same poor people them, call them ignorant, illiterate, dumb is them, and them can't read and write and decipher thing. And I'm alone, and they are not alone, because I was even talking with a family member. We grew up together, them thing from same place in I-12, Jonestown. And trust me, the man, I tell you, the man brain warp, as usual, make excuse all of the things for what people doing. I don't make excuse to people. I just call a spade a spade. So as you know, we already said that Vybz Kartel, yeah man, for dead at prison. And we said that without any apologies. Yeah, we said that, and we'll continue to echo such sentiment, because from you kill people, you don't deserve more than the departure lounge. You understand? And that's so we believe, because a life for a life. This man has stated he's responsible for hundreds of people. Yeah man, losing them lives in Jamaica. So we said no sympathy for Vybz Kartel. Justice must be served. But we so let you hear you listen to Vybz Kartel in his own words when he said about the Jamaican people. So those familiar with the stance of the Jamaica Young Police channel orator know that we do not offer sympathy or compassion to known killers like Vybz Kartel. Our position is unwavering. Vybz Kartel must remain in prison for the rest of his life, and his body should only be left on a gurney, bound for Medares, his final resting place. So say departure long we are talking about, nowhere else. So Vybz Kartel, whose real name is Adija Azim Palmer, was convicted for the brutal murder of Clive Lizard Williams in 2011. Although his conviction was quashed, that means it was overturned due to juror misconduct. I know the juror misconduct him funded. Vybz Kartel funded and benefit from him crime. But him I did a prison, because we can tell you that there are some things that's in the making, and we will keep you abreast about it. You understand? So the charge of murder remain, and justice demand that he stay behind bars. So despite his serious and severe health issues, including life-threatening Graves' disease, these should not overshadow the fact that he is a convicted killer. Yeah man, make him stay there for dead. So we believe in justice, not in allowing our kind hearts to be manipulated by cold-blooded murderers. Kartel's crimes were heinous, and his incarceration is a necessary consequence. To show him sympathy would be an insult to the memory of Clive Lizard Williams and all victims of violent crime. Our commitment to justice is clear. Vybz Kartel deserves no compassion. I want to serve sympathy, coffee, tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner or supper. Yeah man, we eat straight departure lounge ticket. Yeah, where man get to go party with all of the killers them, yeah. We don't want you have no prison party. Dead night. So Vybz Kartel deserves no compassion. He must serve his sentence fully, ensuring his punishment fit his crime. Our resolve will not waver, and we will continue to advocate for justice for all victims of violence, standing firm against any attempts to show undue leniency to those who have committed such grievous acts. So we say, no, do not offer any sympathy to Vybz Kartel, a convicted killer. Yeah man, so when the judge, so you know that recently Vybz Kartel faced a legal setback when a judge denied him bail, despite his murder conviction being overturned. So you know this Rear Admiral guy, Isaac Buchanan. If you know what a Rear Admiral mean, that means you're a astute student of the Jamaica Young Police channel. Because you know that, as a former detective, we have various acronyms to manage the landscaping, especially in this time. You understand? Yeah. Because you have to be very, very, you have to know to assimilate and adjust in this time, you understand? Because, the activists, them out there, and the liars, them they're against their enemies of the truth. And them already have Vybz Kartel and their in a dear corner. So Vybz Kartel is one of them where promote the rear admiral them and big them up. You understand? So him become a big fan of them. You understand? Them love him. So as we tell you now, so sympathy is a crime. You understand? Yeah, sympathy is a crime. So this conviction, although it was overturned, him still supposed to face a court. So the appeal court is gonna deal with it. So we know if the appeal court let him go, we know that is the brown paper bag runner. The brown paper bag, that is Justice Sykes thing, where them collect them bribe. Yeah, you understand that. So because we know that we know that the system is corrupt. You understand? So sympathy for Vybz Kartel, a man with a history of violence, is misplaced. So the judge emphasized that without a formal acquittal, the murder charge remains and Kartel's incarceration is justified. So when dummy Isaac Buchanan, took I said, boy, for free Vybz Kartel, and then the dummy them a Waterford all over. See a big old swarthy woman, but she a ball. But we're not even give them no credence, because these are dummies. You understand? These are the problem in Jamaica. These people are the problem in Jamaica. So, but I don't know. We need a mass clean up our people in Jamaica, may I tell you. So the law must maintain its integrity by not permanently releasing someone accused of a heinous crime. So we don't care about him health and grave disease. If grave disease can get grave, the best thing that the sooner the better for you. You understand? So the focus should remain on justice for the victim, not garnering sympathy for the perpetrator, Vybz Kartel. So some of my fans them protest, making nice down by the court about free Vybz Kartel. Them things they think that is their them appeal to the old corruption them in them community, and also intelligent people them disbound by the Supreme Court. And why the police them never arrest and charge these people for disorderly conduct, for disturbing the court. What kind of police them this? They don't know them job. You're not supposed to go in a court and a silent zone then. You understand? So although the fans and protest and argue for his release, but it is crucial to remember the violence and loss that Williams' family endures. Offering sympathy to Kartel undermines the justice system and disrespect the victim's memory. And it sends a dangerous message that severe health issue can excuse violent crime. No, we know that. Vybz Kartel health problem do not erase his violent past. Sympathy for his condition should not lead to leniency for his crime. Justice must prevail, ensuring that those who commit heinous crimes and act are held accountable regardless of their circumstances. So we say do not offer any sympathy for Vybz Kartel. His health crisis does not excuse his crime. So a recent report have highlighted the deteriorating health of convicted murderer Vybz Kartel, due to complication from grave disease and a worsening heart condition. And we say, boy, the grave disease can't go in grave. So his son, Little Addy, or Little Vybz, emotionally recount his father's dire situation, emphasize the need for urgent medical surgery. However, it is crucial to remember that the gravity of Kartel's actions and why he's incarcerated. So he just need to stay in a prison and just drop down and dead. And that's all I say. Yeah, so Kartel medical report dated May 2nd revealed a significant decline in his heart function with a 20% loss over the past year. His ejection fraction is now dangerously low at 37, indicating an heightened risk of heart failure or a heart attack. And that would be nice. That would be welcome if Vybz Kartel gets to go straight to the departure lounge and we say adios, goodbye. Yeah, you understand? So despite these alarming statistics, it is essential to maintain focus on the reason for Kartel's imprisonment. The 2011 murder of Clive Williams. Yeah, man. So I'm going to listen to Vybz Kartel. For sure, Vybz Kartel know that the people that follow him and support him and love him and put him on a pedestal, him knows that them are dummy. Yeah, in his own words. And him rightfully say it. So you have to give him props to that to identify dummies. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
If we are kids for So why did you say a cake up then? You say a cake up just for the fun night?
Yeah, because I know people have a buy into it. Remember, you know, people are like sheep, you know, and I am the shepherd, you know. They're easy for the lead. And they're easy for lead. It's so easy, it's like, it's hilarious. Because you say cake up, everybody take it up. Oh, cake up, this cake up, every day for what I want, Vybz Kartel and cakes.
Yeah.
Every day for all of the video program.
Vybz Kartel and cakes.
So when me just you know, cool man, if you see the cakes up, it's more fame, more money for Vybz Kartel. And it's like, then you see what I want, I mean telling you what me I do now, and then really, them still are going to be who them is the next day. When you do something, them are going to buy into it again. And the concept will just go over and over and over again, because that is what people are.
Yeah, so you know, you're Little Addy, yeah man, the Little Addy criticized the court system for its perceived slow response to his father's health needs, expressing frustration over lack of urgency. When him thinks him father special, him father is a convicted murderer. He need for dead in a prison. And we say that and we say it without any apology. Yeah man, Vybz Kartel and Ninja man for dead in a prison. Them get the opportunity for make good on people's life and change the Jamaican people's mindset. All they have been doing is destroying it with their garbage, muck. Yeah man. So here Little Addy lamented that despite Kartel's deterioration condition and the overturning of his conviction due to juror misconduct, the legal process remains sluggish. Virgin, it a work. Because if justice is supposed to serve, Vybz Kartel could have popped already from 2016. If Siaga was Prime Minister, they could have popped. So you better give thanks. They appear liberal minded and criminal sympathizers around Jamaica. However, sympathy for Kartel's current plight should not overshadow the brutal crime he committed. Vybz Kartel was found guilty of an heinous act that took the life of another individual. The suffering and loss experienced by Clive Lizard Williams' family must remain at the forefront of discussion. While Vybz Kartel health issues are indeed serious, they do not negate his responsibility for his action. Yeah man, so you kill Lizard and you don't want to dead now. Or you don't claim say, yeah, Satan, I'll stay if you stay there and dead. We don't want you to come out. We want you to come out on a gurney. And we say that without any apologies. So his imprisonment is a result of lawful conviction, and the consequences of his crime must be upheld. Granting him leniency based on his health could set a dangerous precedent, undermining the justice system and potentially providing an escape route for other convicted criminals facing health challenges. And the other thing is just the government need to take away Isaac Buchanan law license, and because he's a convicted criminal, and just make him kick him out of the system. But Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, you know, that's why he's able to practice law. So as Father's Day approaches, yeah man, Little Addy yearn for family moments with his dad. So what I'm to the other people them him kill, him need for dead in a prison. Yeah man, so however we must not lose sight of the fact that Clive Lizard Williams' family has been permanently deprived of such moment due to Kartel's actions. The focus should remain on justice for the victim and his loved ones, rather than garnering sympathy for the perpetrator. Moreover, Kartel's words reveal his disdain for his supporters who idolize him. Yeah man, you hear the man say tonight, the man have a disdain for them, because he must say them are dummy. So he reportedly told the Jamaica Observer that his followers are like sheep, mindlessly following him without a functioning brain, and that he finds it hilarious how they take his insults as compliments. Yeah, because when Vybz Kartel said these people are like sheep and he is their shepherd, I tell you, he's saying that them now no brain, because you know say a sheep, you know say a shepherd, in the direction that the shepherd walk, the sheep them follow. So that's why I must say if him jump over a cliff, them will follow him, because them are dummy. So such disrespect and manipulation of his supporters further underscore his unworthiness of any sympathy or compassion. We believe in justice, not in allowing our kind hearts to be manipulated by cold-blooded murderers who show contempt for their followers. Kartel's crime were heinous, and his incarceration is a necessary consequence. To show him sympathy would be an insult to the memory of Clive Lizard Williams and all victims of violent crime. Our commitment to justice is clear. Vybz Kartel deserve no compassion, no sympathy, as we know for a fact that sympathy is a crime, and that's the truth. We don't serve sympathy over here. So he must serve his sentence fully, ensuring his punishment fit his crime. Our resolve at the Jamaica Young Police Channel will not waver, and we will continue to advocate for justice for all victims of violence, standing firm against any attempt to show undue leniency to those who have committed such grievous act. In conclusion, while it is natural to feel compassion for anyone facing severe health issues, we must remember the context of Kartel's situation. His urgent need for medical treatment should not eclipse the severity of his crime. Justice must be served, and leniency should not be extended to those who have caused irreparable harm to others. And that's how we say over here. Yeah, we don't serve sympathy coffee, sympathy tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or supper. Yeah, man, we serve the real mama papa truth over here. Vybz Kartel must dead in a prison. And we say that, and we say it without any apology. We have zero sympathy for him because he's a cold-blooded killer. Vybz Kartel should die in prison with no surgery, as he's seen as the son of Satan. Sympathy is a crime, and that's the truth. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.